Samsung has already started launching its newer generation of smartphone lineup. The company has launched Galaxy A15, A15 5G, and the Galaxy A25, and will soon announce the Galaxy S24 series. After that, the South Korean firm could launch the Galaxy A55, which will bring improved design. The high-quality Galaxy A55 renders has been leaked courtesy to the My Smart Price, which pretty much give us a good idea what the device is going to be look alike. Now, if you look at these images, apparently the phone features a metal frame, a first for the Galaxy A series phone. It also features thinner bezels than the Galaxy A54, which is honestly looking great than the ugly thick bezels on the A54. The phone has three rear-facing cameras featuring a 50 megapixel of a primary camera and 12 megapixel of ultra-wide camera. The phone will most likely features a stereo speaker, in-display fingerprint reader, and IP68 dust and water resistance inside. Now, more information has been revealed about this Exynos processor. The Exynos 1480 processor is expected to be inside the Galaxy A55, and it looks like offer better multi-core performance compared to the Galaxy A54's Exynos 1380 chipset. The Exynos 1480 has been spotted Geekbench database. It scored 1180 points in single-core CPU performance test and 3536 points in multi-core CPU performance test. In comparison, the Galaxy A54 scored 1108 points and 2797 points in single-core and multi-core tests respectively. Well, if you notice that there has been a difference in the Geekbench scores. Well, the difference is obvious because the new Exynos 1480 processor is coming with a 4 high-performance CPU cores and 4 power-efficient CPU cores, which are 2.7 GHz and 2.5 GHz respectively. It features an AMD RDNA2 based Xclipse 530 GPU, which is said to be much more powerful than the Mali GPU used in previous Exynos chipset. Definitely the performance will be high, but it could be around 10 to 20%. Now moving on, as far as the pricing is concerned, it is my assumption that Samsung will be sticking with the same pricing as this year Galaxy A54. And you guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are the features that you wanted to see in the upcoming Galaxy A55? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.